I have been eating this egg white scramble for years now. It is a staple in my breakfast routine. I eat almost the exact same breakfast every single day, and I truly love it. So I aim for about 30 to 40 grams of protein to start my day with my breakfast, with a good amount of carbs as well because I train, as well as a little bit of fats. And this breakfast allows me to get my protein in. So this is an egg white scramble. Now, egg whites are one of the best sources of protein out there. Egg whites are pure protein, whereas the yolk in an egg is fats. We need fats, just not a ton of fats. So that's why I don't like using multiple whole eggs. Instead, I like to use one whole egg mixed with a lot of egg whites. Now, on their own, egg whites are disgusting, kind of like ground turkey. Ugh. But what I've learned is that if you take egg whites and you mix those egg whites with one whole egg to get that yolk in there, the fat in there, they are delicious. You can even add some reduced fat cheese or whole milk cheese, and of course, cheese makes everything better. Now, for this egg white scramble, you are going to get only 150 calories, 23 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat and 0 carbs. So I always like to pair this with some toast or some oatmeal or my protein waffles so that I get in carbs as well, along with some fruit. This is going to be a protein-packed option for your morning. So let me show you just how easy it is to make. To start, I'm going to spritz my pan, and what I like to do is use a nonstick pan and just spritz it and then wipe out the oil because I don't want to add in all those extra calories personally. And then I'm going to turn the heat to medium-high heat to get that pan nice and hot for my eggs. So at this point, I'm going to add 150 grams. You could honestly you can control the protein and the calorie intake, and you can do anything from 100 grams of egg whites all the way up to 200 grams of egg whites. I'm going to do 150 grams today. Then I'm going to add one whole egg, which is about 53 grams. 49 grams actually. That's how I would record that in my tracking app, which is I teach clients how to track, how to use a food scale, and why that is so important to achieving your goals. You don't have to do this forever, but if you have a goal of fat loss, then weighing your food is going to be so vital to understanding portion sizes, what you're eating. You can eat healthy all day and not achieve your goals because you need to really put a quantifiable number behind how much you're actually eating. So now you're gonna whisk that up really good, really good. Again, like on their own, egg whites, blah, not gonna find me eating them. But mix those egg whites with a whole egg and you're gonna get some fat from the yolk. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt and a couple turns of pepper in there. And now I'm going to pour my eggs in my skillet, my nice hot skillet. And now I'm just gonna let this sit at that medium-high heat. I really like a high heat. And I have this little spatula, and I'm going to be, I'm kind of watching, see how the eggs are turning like a white on the bottom. Okay, they're no longer see-through. And I'm watching for that to happen. That is my sign when I see that occurring, that I can start moving my eggs around in the pan. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna come alongside and I'm just gonna kind of go to the outer edges and fold them in a bit into the center, and I'm gonna keep doing that. And this is what's going to give my eggs a really great texture, make them soft, make them fluffy, because that's really the way scrambled eggs should be, whether you're using egg whites or not. And I'm gonna keep doing this as my eggs cook, and they'll continue to cook after I turn the heat off. So I want to just get them just to the point where they are fully cooked, like right now. I'm going to turn the heat off, continue to scrape my pan. You can see because it's a nonstick pan and I oiled it, my eggs are not really sticking to my pan. And now my eggs are ready and so delicious. If you wanted to add cheese, this is the time that I would either break up a whole slice of cheese and add that in, or add in a sprinkle of feta or shredded cheese. Now I'm going to add this to a plate and they are ready to eat. So what I love about this recipe is just how versatile it is. You can enjoy these eggs just as is on scrambled eggs, put them on some toast. You can make a sandwich out of them with some breakfast meat, some ham, some turkey, some cheese. You can make a burrito out of these eggs by putting them on a tortilla, again with some breakfast meat and cheese or whatever toppings you want. That's what I love about this recipe. It is so versatile, and again, for like 20 to 25 grams of protein, very little calories. It's great whether you're in a fat loss phase, a maintenance phase, even if you're in a build phase looking to build muscle. Whatever nutritional phase you are in, it helps you meet your goals with getting in your protein. So I hope you make these eggs and love them as much as I do. I'm Kristen, a certified nutrition coach, and I help women achieve their goals, whether that is fat loss or body recomposition. I have helped hundreds of women experience transformation and understand how to fuel their body, and I would love to help you do the same. You'll find the link below to work with me.